How to create a virtual reality and augmented reality e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. Just wait a few seconds to load, and here after typing your password you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. And after choosing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of virtual reality and augmented reality, so I don't think if I can find something related to that niche in this category's list. So I think I'm going to choose professional services. It's close enough to my niche. And if you can't find your niche in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and you wait for them to build your store. Then you proceed to your dashboard, and this is the dashboard as you can see. And in your right you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And also we have the design now button, and it does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where we have the edit site button again, and then we have the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to create categories for your products, or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. We have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can see the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, the sources reports, the online sales reports, the site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just go with summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email to automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just go with summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings, and it's where you can change your company name or your email, your address, or your phone number. So I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. Just wait for it to load. And here, if you want to change your company name, your address, your email, or your phone number, you can do that. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes, if you want to set your tax settings, and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you have. So that's it guys for this section, or for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here you will need just to give it from 15 seconds to 30 seconds to load. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And the first thing they will show is a setup guide. As you can see, if you want to go with it, if not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. Then they will show us the site styles. So you will need to choose one of these styles, as you can see, to be your style for the store. And you can always change the styles whenever you want. So it's just like a first step of designing your template. So here, this is our template, and here we will choose one of these styles, the one that will fit our template. So I'm going to choose this one and see, click on hide styles and check if it fits your store. I don't think this one will do the job. I'm going to choose this other one. So I think this one is very good. So this one meets my requirements. So click on apply site styles. Then you proceed to the site's design if you want to change the site styles, and if you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change fonts, change the shapes of the buttons or the images. So I'm going to change the shape of the images from sharp to rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. And when you're done, you click on done. And if you want to search for a domain name, you type in the domain name in here. If not, just close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section, page, or so on. And here you have all the pages, sections, categories, items that you have in your template. If you want to hide one of them or show it, if you want to change the placement of some one of them, or if you want again to delete it, or if you want to duplicate it, you can do that in here. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.